Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is I, the one and only Eleazar Pringle. Um, got a little Let's Play coming at you. This game is called, that's a good question. Earth Attack. That's the name of the game. I should know that, right? The game is called Earth Attack, and we're about to give it a try. This game was developed by the publishing company is called Zellers. That's like the most dirt I could dig up on it. It's very sketchy. Apparently, they pirated this game. It's a knockoff Defenders game. I guess that's what I saw on all the research. This is what I seen. Um, we're gonna give this a try. We're gonna give it a try. Let's get right into it. Controls. Ooh, oh boy. All right, I did something. I think I pressed the space bar. Okay, removing. So what's it seem like I control the ship by... Alrighty, where did he come from? I control the ship by pressing the arrow keys. I'm sure that would have been different on the actual console itself. Okay, square shoots out the bullets. I'm getting some kills. And each time I defeat, I guess these are the enemies. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh no. Okay, each time I defeat one, I get a score, and I can go faster by pressing the forward arrow key or the right. And let's see, can I go backwards as well? I can go backwards by pressing the left key. Okay, so we're doing some damage here, boys and girls. We're doing some damage. Look at these points. Oh wow. Okay, I can't tell if I died because I hit the is this a city? Is this a building? The bottom, or if I ran into that. Well, I guess we should try it out, right? Oh no, so I can come to the very edge of the screen. Well, let's see. How quick can I turn around? Oh, I really gotta press hard. Oh, level one. Okay, I don't know what the requirements is for level one. Maybe it's a certain amount of points. What are these? Okay, I think I killed one. I don't know if you can tell, but I've like never made a Let's Play video before. I'm oh, I died. I'm also a very good gamer, as you can see. All I'm saying is y'all can't see me in For Honor. Add me on PlayStation Island Dawn. I promise I'm good at games. Okay, well, first impressions. It's actually not that bad. It's for the time I can see how this could have been very fun actually. Very time killing. Mechanics, it's pretty straightforward. Um, up is up, down is down, right is right, left is left. Uh, there's a point system. Oh, these graphics are kind of ugly though. I feel like they could have done a bit better. But the point system each time you get a kill, your points goes up. I'm not sure exactly. Maybe depending on the type of enemy, you get more points. But I don't know if you can see in the lower left corner, there's a symbol that looks like there's an icon that looks like a ship. That's my life. So each time I die, it goes away. If you lose three of them, that's the end of the game. I'm not sure what the other icons are on to the right. I've been trying to figure it out, but maybe it's levels, perhaps. Let's see. If I can make it to the next level, something would change. Okay. We're going crazy. We're going crazy. Boom, boom, boom. Too easy, too easy. They can't see me in this. All right, maybe I'm not as bad as I thought I was. Look at this. Look at this. You thought, you thought, you thought. Look. 1-2. A little 1-2 damage, real quick. A little 3-4. I'm too nice. I don't even gotta look. Actually, I was gonna try to show off a little bit, but they're looking a little dangerous. Ooh, that was kind of scary. Hold on, I'm gonna go forward a little bit, a little hyper speed. Okay, nobody. Okay, boom. Level 1, done. Too easy. Okay, so the icons didn't disappear. But new level. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where the fun begins. Boom, 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 boom. Look, I'm racking up these points. You can't see me. Look, look, that's another one. I'm doing amazing. Oh wow, I'm approaching the 5 minute mark. I think the longest we can make this video is 7. I don't even know if I can edit this thing on. As you can see, I barely know what I'm doing, but I hope I'm being somewhat entertaining. Oof, please don't go too hard on me in the peer reviews. Oh my gosh. Okay. Boom, level 2, level 2. That's very nice. I had some notes off here to the side, but my screen went off. So now I don't even know what I'm supposed to be talking about. Let's see. This is so unprofessional. All right, what do I like? What do I like about the game? It's straightforward. It's easy. You jump in, you know instantly what to do. I need to dodge these I need to dodge these enemies. And I need to kill them. I get a higher score. Straightforward. Love it. For the time, I guess they had little parameters where they had to work in between, and they had to make it as straightforward as possible. So it all makes sense. In any game, that's something you want to look forward to. The more confusing it is, the more difficult it is to get into. For me, that's the requirement. I like something simple. Simple controls. Controls are easy to grasp. What do I dislike? Man, I hate these graphics, these sprites, these bits. I don't know. Was this the best that they could do? I don't really know the technology that they had access to back then, but I feel like it could have been a bit more nicer. But then again, they did say that this game is it's kind of like a knockoff Defenders. So I'd have to check out the actual Defenders and see if the icons are any better. But yeah, not feeling it, man. Not feeling it. Like even the colors could have been a bit better. But the game doesn't suck. I mean, I could play for a little bit. I could see it being boring after 30 minutes. I'd be over it. Alrighty. This is this is my this is my video. Thanks for watching.